Dobre, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Right. So I just finished my class today, and then I think that later on I've got a meeting with someone. So yeah, first of all I'm gonna take you to the place where it is close by the Warta River. Yes, here in Poznan, Poland, as you see that this is a green city, and also the city is with the river. I think the biggest river is in Poznan is Warta River, but not the biggest one in Poland. So yeah, I'll show you how it looks like. Maybe we will go to the one kind of the river club again, but of course not the container art, but the different one. So yeah, let's go. So basically this is the green park that is closed by Warta River, and that's the Warta River bridge, but we will keep walking. So I'll take you to the one place to chill today. That was the park, and that's the bridge, and here we go. Oh, look at this place. There is a basketball arena. It's really like a club again. Yes. So let's go there and see how it is. Nice. That's the Warta River. So basically that's the bridge, and that is the Nur, something like that. It's just like the restaurant, or just like a container restaurant, and then you see that the people in the front, they are doing barbecue. Yes, during the summertime lots of people are coming here for the barbecue. So they are going to the lake, or they are going to the river, or they are going to the park. So this is what actually you can do in Poznan, Poland. And one of these, oh, look at this one from the distance. I can see that many people already there. Looks like a kind of the club Instagrammable place also. Let's go. People are cycling, and this is how is the summer vibe. It's a little bit cloudy and windy today. So mostly during the summertime, I didn't see that people are swimming here by the river. I heard from my husband that in the Warta River the water is very deep, and also the current actually very strong. So yeah, not many people are coming here for swimming, only just to chill by the river. We go, look at this place. So it's called Club Navali. The main color is blue, white, and then this one is Ikios, something like this. And let's go there. Maybe we can have something to eat, something to drink. Yes, look at this, very Instagram worthy place. Yes, this is the place. Let's see what we can eat. This one is basically the place. Ice cream, blue beer cocktails. Let's see what we will eat. I see here, when I walk around, I already feel like I'm back to the beach club vibe in Bali. Blue and things like, just the different only next to the river. Nice vibe. I see is that here the club like this, maybe just because of today is weekdays, not weekend, so not many people are coming here for chill. And I think that it's already summer holidays, and because I see that some of the kids are already here. But the thing is that the club like this, maybe this is not their vibe. Meanwhile in Bali already like more than 10 beach clubs in Pantai Melasti, I remember last time, and then nowadays growing like mushroom a lot. But here seems that people not really into the beach, not really into the club like this. Yeah, in front of me is the children playground as you see, and here is kava, ice cream, and that is the pizza, cocktail, and yeah, it's many things basically. I order my hot flat white, and this is actually yes, what I can say then. Yeah, if you can see from the price, of course it's more price here than the other restaurant, because this one is obviously club. This is the first time I see the club is empty. I mean, not empty, but it's quiet, like with the beach club, vibe in Bali. When I see this place is quiet, I'm just thinking like, what's wrong? I don't know. I feel like it's like, happy to find a place like this, but seems like the people who are coming also different, right? I mean, like they are not really like into the influencers wannabe or whoever it calls, but simply like mostly into a family, coming here with the playing in the playground like behind me, and it is more into the chill cozy vibe, not really like into the like wild crazy party vibe. I don't know, maybe at summer at night time probably crazy wild party here, I'm not sure, but just the first thing maybe because of today is weekdays. Yeah, it's just like just enjoy the time, chill by the river basically. Even they have a banana trees, palm trees, and this one is actually when you go up, there are so many empty spot. You see, like I know mostly the younger people are coming, and here is the vibe, that's the music basically, banana tree, and they really wants to make it like a tropical vibe like this. Nice pink, blue. It's nice. Maybe when at night time where the light is on will be much nicer. So what I can say that it's nice places actually. And look at this one, on the top. It is very nice. Like a really like a beach club vibe with the overviewing the Warta River. Nice. Actually, whenever you want to come in, you don't need to have a minimum spend. So that's the difference. And you just want, if you want to sit, you can sit in any seat that you want. So this is the things actually. So and people also who come here, not like crazy making pictures like influencers wannabe or celebgram or something like that. I think that only me who is recording there inside and making picture. So that's actually what I feel like the huge difference between the beach club vibe and a river club here in Poland especially, and in Bali. Meanwhile in Bali, if you come to the beach club, you will see there are so many kind of the influencers or something like that will come and make a picture and with the sexy outfit or something like that. But here nobody care, just like go sit, enjoy, and yeah. So yes, I give you again another view. This place is actually big from that side, and then if you walk, that's a children playground, and here is the basketball court. So it's quite a big place basically. And that's also another restaurant, container restaurant, and look, there the kids there, they're gonna do a kayaking. Nice. The thing is that whenever you come here, I don't smell like stinky river. I know that some people say that the river is not that clean, but the look, yes, it's not like blue or something like that, the color of ocean light. But the thing is that it's not that smelly like the one I see in Berlin last time. You see, look, there are some people over there gonna do a kayaking. Wow, very nice. Nice. So I'm watching how they set off kayaking. It's nice. I was there actually, and I keep walking and walking, and then look at this. So many young people are coming here for having a grilling, something like this with their friend. Wow. And there in the front also one nice container restaurant. Nice. Already the smell of the grill something. I was there in Warta River, and next to it is already green garden like this. Nice. And in front of me over there, that is the children playground. So I will go home and we will catch the tram over there.
Korzystasz z tańszego biletu z trójką, dolarów na karmę wrocławiu poznańskim. Sprawdź termin obowiązywania tego uprawnienia na swoim koncie Petra i przedłuż je online.
Actually take another tram. Now I am in Grodno, and this is the tram that I passed or used before, and this is actually the brand new pavement in Grodno. Yay, finally they finished it, and look at the tree in the middle. Nice. I really like the green things here. They really make a nice garden. Drive home. I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.